Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit YouTube video title on phone. Firstly, get up into your application and then simply go on your right upper side by clicking on your profile icon. When you get up into that section, click on the first selection, your channel, then go for manage videos. And when you get up into that section, you need to find out a video in which you're gonna change his title. For example, I will go with, I don't know, maybe with this video. Type on the three dots, go for edit, and here, as you can see on the first side, here it is, that captionable option or the title. Just type on it. Here you can, as you can see, delete, and you can simply type whatever you want. Just go save on your right upper side, and as you can see now, if I take a refresh and if I scroll down, I'm gonna find out the changed optionable AppKing for title on this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon, guys.